Hello friends, this is Dr. Antoine Niyonge, your coaching data analysis using R tool. Remember, in the previous videos I showed how you can create a dataset for social network analysis. I also showed how you can perform density analysis when you are interested in social network analysis. I finally showed how you can perform degree analysis and prestigious numbers analysis. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform closeness centrality analysis, betweeness centrality analysis, and constraint analysis. I think this video will help you to improve the way you make analysis of your social network. If you found this video helpful, you can share it, and you can also subscribe to our channel. You remember I have created a data set related to cores, and I'm going to show you how you can perform such analysis when you are working in Rstudio and when you are interested in social network analysis. For performing such analysis, you need this library igraph. If you don't have library igraph, you need to install it by clicking on Tools and Start Packages, and you write the name igraph, and then you click on Install. This command you see here, friends, allows me to indicate where I saved my dataset. Let's run this command. The next command you see here, friends, this is to import my dataset. This is the name I gave to my dataset related to cores. This is header to see the name of variable. This is to indicate how our dataset is separated by comma. And this is to indicate how decimals are separated. Let's run this command to import my dataset. This command you see here, friends, it allows me to create my social network. I can show you if you are interested in analyzing this social network. You can see how numbers are connected. Now I'm going to create community. This will allows me to show you how you can perform some analysis. I'm going to use a directed graph. Let's learn this comment just to create a community. It will be easy to explain when you see our communities, because remember I have presented another video which allows us to present how you can create or how you can analyze communities. Let's learn this. These are communities created based on my dataset. As you can see here, we have 4 communities. Now, friends, I'm just going to calculate the first indicator, which is closeness centrality. When you analyze closeness centrality, the closeness centrality of a node is the average length of the shortest path between the node and all other nodes. The more central the node, the closer it is to all other nodes. Closeness centrality, like degree centrality, can be calculated in terms of closest to incoming ties and from outgoing ties in a directed network. Node that is closer to all other nodes can reach all other nodes in shortest amount of time, or on average. Now, the command you are going to use when you are working in Rstudio to calculate in closeness centrality is this one, closeness centrality. But when you want to just to make a good presentation, you are going to look, friends, this is how closeness is calculated. For instance, this number, the closeness of this number is this one, the closeness of this number is this one. But let's make a better presentation when you want to analyze. I'm going to save the results. I'm going to save the result here, and I'm going to reduce number after comma. Let's run all these comments to get a better presentation. This is in closeness analysis. Let's, for instance, transform this one as data frame as .data frame to have a better presentation. Data frame. Now you will see we will improve the way results are presented. Now you can see here, friends, now it looks better. That is in closeness. In closeness, as you can see here, friends, this is the result of closeness centrality analysis. Now I can also calculate out the closeness centrality. Remember, I have said that you can calculate out closeness centrality and in closeness centrality. This is how you can create. This is the comment. Normally you need to indicate whether you want to calculate out or in closeness centrality when you want to perform this analysis. This command is just to calculate out closeness centrality, but to have a better presentation we need to use data frame. Otherwise, when you run the result, for instance, when I want to print the result, you will see it is not, we don't have a better presentation. When you want to have a better presentation, to improve the way you present your result, you use a data frame. That means in front of each number, you will see out closeness centrality. Look, friends. Okay. Now, we can calculate all closeness centrality by indicating here that we need to calculate all without regarding whether it is in closeness centrality or out closeness centrality. I learned these comments to have a better presentation. I'm calculating closeness centrality, and I'm calculating how each number is, or how each node is closer to others. You can see the results. These are the results of closeness centrality. Now we can calculate betweeness centrality. A node's betweeness centrality is the number of times a node acts as bridge along the shortest path between two other nodes. Betweeness centrality of node n is the number of shortest paths connecting all pairs of other nodes that pass through n. Nodes with higher betweeness centrality control or distort communication between a large number of nodes. Between centrality shows the ability to control information. Now, as you can see here, friends, on this graph, you can see, for instance, this one, it plays a role of a bridge between this community and this one. Let's learn the comment to see which is the number which plays the role of betweeness centrality, or which has higher betweeness centrality. The comment is this one, and when you use this comment, you just need to have a better presentation. Let's run this comment or this comment, because the comment is betweenness when you are working with Rstudio. Let's see the results, which number which has highest betweenness. Now you can see here, friends, this one. Let's show you. Yeah, you can see now this number has the highest betweenness centrality. Let's show you here on this graphic. You can see this number, this one, 752594656, this one, because it is making a bridge between this community and these communities. Now we can calculate constraint. If a node has highest betweenness, that means it has lower constraints to reach other nodes. A node which has higher betweenness centrality must have low constraint, but its constraint is higher if a goal has less or mutually stronger related contact. A node connecting to disconnected node is an incomplete triad, has a power of blocker. Blockers have lower but constraint score. The behavior is not constrained by the other disconnected nodes in triad. Now, the command we are going to use is this one, constraint. You can see a node with highest betweenness will have small constraints. Let's run this command. You will see the command normally is this one, but when you use these comments, you will not have a better presentation. That's why it is advised to use data frame if you want to have a better presentation. This one that you see, it is the same comment, and I'm going to use data frame to get a better presentation. Now you will see the number of smallest constraint is the one which has highest betweeness. You see this one, this number, it is the one which has small constraints and is the one which has the highest betweeness centrality. This one, same number, this one. That means this number can reach many other communities or many other nodes because it has smaller constraints to reach other nodes, whether it is in this community, whether it is here, whether it is in this community. Okay friends, this is how you can just calculate your low constraints, betweeness, and closeness centrality analysis when you are interested in social network analysis. I presented how we can calculate the closeness centrality, and I also showed how you can analyze betweeness centrality, and I finally showed how you can calculate constraint analysis. Now I think this video will help you to improve the way you make analysis of your social network. If you found this video helpful, you can share it, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our video. For next video, bye.